Whenever you open the Autodesk Maya for the first time, you should be there is a current workspace. What does it mean? What does workspace exactly mean? Workspace is the whole thing what you see in your screen. I mean, every menu, every toolbar, every panel, every shortcut, and etc. We have a lots of things in our workspace. That's if I try explain it one by one, we will definitely get confused. So I will tell you the important and basic things to start our job. Then I slowly explain the important part of workspace during our project. So for now, from from top of our screen, we have a traditional menu. On that, some shortcuts, I mean save as, open, undo, redo, and etc. Under that, we have a creation panel, and under that, we have one important thing called viewport. And here is the viewport panel. Here is viewport menu, and here is viewport shortcut. So if I said Maya menu, I mean this part. Whenever I said viewport menu, I mean this part, and viewport shortcut, I mean this part. So viewport contains three axes. Y-axis from top to bottom. X-axis from left to right. And Z-axis from front to back. All right. As you see, these gizmos here, whenever we orbit in this viewport, we can see these gizmos and axes. All right. So if you want to orbit in our viewport, we have to press Alt and press left key in our mouse. We can orbit in our viewport, and if I want to zoom in and zoom out, as you see, we can scroll the mouse, and also we can press Alt and right key in our mouse. We're able to zoom in and zoom out. And after that, if we want to pan in our viewport, we can press Alt and press middle key in our mouse. So we're able to pan in our viewport. Right, here we have, let me choose another color. So as you see, we have view cube. View cube is nearly things in Autodesk Maya 2024. So if you drag it, so you can orbit, as you see, you can orbit in our viewport. And if you click, for example, top, we jump at top viewport, or back viewport, or middle of back and right. And our viewport is empty at all. So if I want to create something, I mean, for example, sphere, we can here at creation panel and click a sphere, and here is our sphere. So if I have here, can add, don't worry, press F in your keyboard, and Okay, let me delete our things. So, well, you should know some common things in viewports: movement, rotation, and real scale. But first of all, you have to press Q before everything you want to do. This Q is this, that select tool. Q deselects all order or cancels all order. So whenever I click the sphere, bring the sphere here. So for move something in our viewport, we have to press W. Whenever you press W, we can move our object in viewports. Rotate it, press E on your keyboard. We can rotation. So look at this gizmo here. This rotation based on your POV, based on camera. And whenever you want to rescale, you have to press R on your keyboard. Right? That's it. Easy.